Hey family, my name is Sin, or She Reigns on social media platforms, and I am the co-founder of ForTheKollective Enterprises along with my fiance Steve, and we are a lifestyle brand. Our mission is to help those who are seeking their role in life, who are trying to figure out their purpose. Right now we have a clothing line called The Kollective. This is one of our hats. We have them in various colors. You can check it out on the number 4, thekollective.com. I'll make sure I'll link that at the bottom for you guys. And also we have a tarot and oracle reading business called Under She Reigns. I will link that information as well. And if you don't know what tarot and oracle readings are, they are card readings where I tap into your energy, tap in with your spirit guides, and just give messages to you guys, give you some type of guidance. If there may be blockage in certain areas, then we can try to figure out what those blockages are. Just, any questions, anything that you may want to know as far as how to go about things in life in order to help yourself. That is what basically all my readings are about. I am about healing and helping people. So yeah, if you're interested in any one of those things, everything is on ForTheKollective.com. Also, if you love this shirt that I have on, it is from an author and also a good friend of mine, Lay the Writer. I will link her stuff down below. She has different t-shirt ideas as well as sets for men and women, slides, so make sure you go check her out. She also has 2 books and a workbook, so yeah, I will link her stuff down below. All right, so let's get into this mini haul. So what I'm doing today is I already said mini haul but it is with home good items that I got from Ross and Walmart. The reason why I'm doing this is because I am getting more organized in my house, and I wanted to share this with you guys. I'm going to share this part of this journey because I know there are people out there that may have a hard time with organization, but it is very important to have your house decluttered and organized as possible. Of course, I'm not saying you're not going to have stuff all over the place, especially if you have kids. I mean, stuff is going to be all over the place, but at least for it to be manageable. So yeah, I wanted to just share some of the items that I got because they're pretty reasonable, and I love Ross. I just love Ross. They have cute, inexpensive things, and then I just got a few things from Walmart that I just wanted to share with you guys as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. So one of the first things that I got from Ross is this. I tore the thing off already, but it is the 5-piece storage set. The brand is Keep Tidy, and it was $6.50. So I got this to organize my underwear drawer better, with my bras and my socks and underwear and stuff like that. So you get 2 of these small, square boxes. Well, not square, they are square. 2 square boxes. And then you also get 2 rectangular boxes, and then you get the 1 big box. So yes, I'm going to use this for my underwear drawer, and if I have room to use the other boxes, if I don't use all the boxes for my underwear, then I'll find some other way to use them. Excuse me, Jesus, I cannot get my words out right now. All right, so The next thing I got, which I was really excited about because it's so cute, is this 3 paper storage bin. Now, first off, when you're looking at it, it doesn't really look like paper. It looks like bamboo wooden box. That's why, one of the reasons why I got it. And it's black, and I am changing the decor in our bathroom to black, gold, and white with some gray accents. Kind of like this. But yeah, so I got this. It is 3 different bins. It was $10, $9.99. So I'm getting this, like I said, for the bathroom. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it for like my women items, my feminine items, or for the closet. I'm not exactly sure, but I just knew we needed some more organization in there. So I'm just gonna figure out how I'm gonna use it, how it's most effective, and go from there. But yeah, I got this. And then I also got this 16-inch under shelf storage basket. So I got this for our office area to put on the desk. Because the desk is small, and it doesn't have a lot of room on it. So, and I don't want to just have a lot of stuff stacked in the shelves. It has shelves on the side, but I just don't want to have a whole bunch of stuff stacked in there. So I just want to be able to, get certain things real quick, as opposed to having to dig through, pick this up, put it back, just going through all that. So I'm going to, put that in here, put that in there. And I might spray paint in gold. I don't know. I really like gold. I love it so much. But yeah, I got this, and I was showing the price. So it was $5. And then I also got this room spray. It's called High Fragrance Room Spray, Sandalwood and Bergamot. Yeah. One of the reasons I got it is because of the color of it, but it also smells good. It's kind of like a perfume bottle, but it has a flowery scent to it, but yet like it has some masculine undertones to it as well. So it has a very good blend of the masculine and the feminine. And I try to get a lot of those items just because it isn't only me here. So, I know Steve doesn't want to always see, smell girly smells or, smell flowery. I know he may not mind it, but yeah. Then I also got some essential oils. These were, did I say how much this was? This was $4. Okay, then I got some essential oils. That's why I went into Ross in the first place. They got eucalyptus, lavender, and peppermint. This was $7. You can use this for like in a diffuser. You can use it in your bathtub, but if you use the eucalyptus and peppermint in your bathtub, do not put a lot of drops in there, because if you do, it will burn you. Trust me, I've done it. I didn't like it. Like, it doesn't feel good. So yeah, be careful about that. You can also use it if you put it with a carrier oil. Use it on your skin. So with the lavender, I think the lavender and the peppermint, if you put lavender and peppermint, like mix it with some almond oil and put it on your skin, it will keep away like the mosquitoes and stuff like that. You won't get any mosquito bites, or at least in my experience, I haven't gotten mosquito bites. I'm not gonna say it does that, but yeah. So that is what I got from Ross. And then the items that I got from Walmart were these hand soaps. They are the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Aromatherapeutic Household Products. I'm sorry, I just cannot talk today. It is in basil scent. I love this brand. I have gotten some cleaning products from this brand, and it cleans very well. It said that it says that it is made with plant-derived cleaning ingredients, essential oils, aloe vera extract, glycerin, and olive oil. So that is one of the reasons why I started getting this a few years ago. Is when I first purchased something from this brand. Actually, you know, to be honest, it's been like a little bit since I have, but that was the first time. That was the first time that I purchased, and I really liked it. It is a little bit on the expensive side, but if you are into natural products, then you know that those things do just cost a little bit more. So yeah. But yeah, it smells really good. It smells like basil. But it's sweet. Yeah, it's just like a sweet basil. Yeah, it has that balance of masculine and feminine as well. Then I also got, and I got this for the kitchen. I also got this luxury hand soap from Baylis and Harding. It is made with oud wood and bergamot as well. I got this for our bathroom. Yeah, now this it has a strong scent to it. It smells a little cologne-y, like men's cologne, kind of like a sweet men's cologne. But yeah, got this as well. Oh yeah, and I got this. Now I haven't looked up the ingredients on this, but I figure since it has the essential oils in it, that it might be safe. It might be better than the regular soap. So I mean, we'll see. And yeah. Oh, then the last thing that I got from Walmart is this fragrance oil diffuser. It is in a crystal, and oh my God, I thought it was so cute. I got this for our kitchen. And I also got 2 oils. The first one is Warm Rustic Woods. It definitely has like the woodsy smell, but it's more of an undertone, I feel like. Then it has a mix of kind of like flowery. So a lot of these things, yeah, that I got are a balance of like floral smells, but then it has like a cologne-y, like a men's cologne, like undertone. I don't know what the exact smell is, what the exact verbiage should be, but yeah. And this next one is Smoky Gray Mist. Now this smells good. This smells like a man. Like, But you know, it could be a perfume too. But it smells, oh my, I don't know why I'm doing this like y'all can smell it. It smells good. Oh my God, it smells so freaking good. But yeah, I just got these because like I burned candles, but it was like, man, like candles, they aren't cheap. And like I could go through, let's see, have like maybe like 3 or 4 candles that I burn and go through those in maybe a couple weeks. Maybe a couple weeks. It might be a week and a half. So just to alleviate having to burn my candles as often. I just wanted to have some constant smell good going on, especially in the kitchen, because that's where I burn most of my candles anyway. But yeah, that is my haul for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As well, I am going to, as I'm doing more organization around the house, I'm going to record that. So if you are interested in that, as well as just, self-improvement overall, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out our website, ForTheKollective.com. Our clothing is on there, as well as that's how you can get in touch with me for any spiritual guidance, spiritual readings. Let's see, am I missing anything else? Make sure you like our Instagram and our Facebook page. I will link those down at the bottom as well. And I think that's it. So I'm sending you peace, love, and blessings into your home. I love you guys.